Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Temu. Once you're on Temu, log into your Temu account. So once logged in, so you're going to reach out to the customer support if you want to remove the minimum purchase limit. So how do you do that is simply go to a U tab here, click on U, and then what you can do, you're going to go to this customer chat option here on your top right, click on it, and then that will get you to your support option. Okay, and then scroll down, you will see an option called contact us. Hit on contact us. So when you hit on contact us, what are you going to do? You're going to get to this chat here. So simply on the chat, what are you going to do? You're going to simply type in remove checkout limit or purchase limit. So just type that in. Once you type that in, they'll get back to you with this option here. So here, what you're going to do, you're going to select no, I still want to remove the order limit. Select that. So once you select that, and here you need to confirm remove the restriction. So just confirm your request by hit on remove the restriction. Hit on it, and then once you hit on it, and that's it, you'll receive the message from Temu saying your restriction or limit has been removed. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.